Hi! It's me again, and nandito ako sa aking mini garden and I'll show you around. Kailangan ko na kasi mag-trim ng Thai basil. So this is my Thai basil. That's my Thai basil. Kangkong, kamatis, and my sweet basil. Init. Anyway, hahanap ulit ako mamaya ng relief goods na natitira the other day. So, maybe I could use the Thai basil to cook. Hey! It's me again! Sabi nila lahat, ngayon nagda-diet sila. Kaya ang dami nilang tinirang kanin sa akin. See? 2 microwavable ang kanin. And may nakita na naman akong bagong relief goods galing sa aming barangay. Maraming salamat po sa pagbigay. It's corn chicken. So, natandaan ko kanina, marami akong tinrim na Thai basil. So, ang plano ko, ibabalik natin sa kanila yung fried rice. Yung rice na binigay nila sa akin. Pero, sasarapan natin para matutuwa sila. Maubos naman nila. O, di ba? So, what I plan is, we're just gonna mix everything. Gawin natin parang Thai fried rice yung dating. Tapos, lagyan natin ng fried egg on top. Taran! Ito na yung ating Thai fried rice. Simple, super simple Thai fried rice. So, let's taste it na. Oh my god. This is so good. Yung spiciness, yung corn tuna, tapos yung salty, naghahalo, tapos yung hint ng Thai basil. There you have it. Yan na yung recipe. It's super duper simple to make. And don't forget to comment below or subscribe to my channel. It's Itschesterrific. I'll see you soon.